Log into your account and look for features that help your business generate revenue. Populate your business profile with the name, address, logos, and links to your website and social networks. This information is automatically fetched in our main website and every published QRecipe. Viewers become aware of the recipes you offer with your brand name standing out as your business name and logo are advertised with no additional cost, building up your brand. Published recipes contain all your social network and website links that viewers can visit with a click of a button, generating traffic to your account and allowing your business to generate revenue from pay-per-impression or pay-per-click ads supported on your accounts. You can create offers by clicking on the blue button. Give a title for your offer and select the start and the expiration date. It may be a one-time offer, a weekend offer, or an offer with a much longer span. Enter an identifier for that offer that will help you distinguish between your different offers, for example, 50% off weekends. Add a description covering the terms and conditions and a photo to make your offer stand out. Your offer is now hosted at the top of the QRecipe website. Viewers accessing your offer will find all the necessary information about the offer along with your address and social accounts. Offers will get you more walk-in customers and revenue. Just a screenshot of the offer on their mobile device is enough, as this QR code is not proprietary. Any QR scanner will do. Remember the 2 QR codes generated when creating menus? Visiting customers scanning the printed QR code on your menus will get all the recipes. Upon selecting and adding the recipe to history, a star-based review system is shown, allowing them to review each individual recipe. Scanning the online QR code, on the other hand, will display exactly the same menu, but this time, the recipes cannot be reviewed. You can generate revenue from actual visiting customers, making your reviews reflect your real services. More features and revenue generation streams are planned every month. Join QRecipe to learn more and keep on improving food intelligence.